All right, for those of you that love shortcuts, we're now going to look at synthetic division of polynomials. So from the last video, we looked at long division. Okay, so I'm using the exact same two questions that we just used. X squared plus 3x subtract 43 divided by x plus 8. And this is what that long division looked like to give us this answer. All right, now with synthetic division, it's a shortcut. So you're not going to be doing all of this. Here's the procedure. We're going to write down the coefficients of the dividend. The dividend is the number we're dividing into. Okay, so dividend is this guy, okay? And this is the divider. This is the thing we're dividing into the dividend. So just knowing what those words are. We're going to take the coefficients. So here we have 1 and 3 and negative 43. So 1, 3, negative 43. Just going to write those coefficients there. Now we're dividing by x plus 8. We're going to take that 8. We're going to change its sign. We're going to put a negative 8 over here. And we're going to create sort of this upside down division sign compared to this division sign over here. All right, now, first step, bring down the 1. Okay, so there's 1. Next, we're going to multiply 1 times negative 8 and put it here. That's negative 8. Then we're going to add these two numbers together, which equals negative 5. Now we're going to multiply negative 5 by negative 8, which gives us 40. And again, we're going to add these two numbers, which gives us negative 3. Now to interpret our answer, this is our first term, second term, and so on until we get to the last one, which is actually our remainder. All right, so to interpret this answer, we would say x, okay, because we started with an x squared, we're dividing by the biggest exponent of 1, so x, which means our answer is going to start with a power of 1. So x, subtract 5, and the remainder minus 3 over x plus 8, which was what we were dividing by. Okay, notice this answer is the same as this answer that we got when we did the long division. My thumb hit there, my hand hit that, and so I raised it a little bit. Okay, so let's try it with another one. 2n squared subtract 16n plus 19. So we're taking those coefficients. 2, negative 16, 19. 2, negative 16, 19. We're dividing by n minus 7, so I'm going to write, instead of a negative 7, I'm going to write a positive 7 here. And my upside down division. We're going to bring that 2 down. Okay, and then 7 times 2 is 14. Going to add these numbers, gives us a negative 2. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Going to add these numbers, and we're left with 5. So again, this is our remainder. Sorry about the phone ringing in the background there. That's our remainder. That's our second term, that's our first term. So our answer should be, we started with n, our dividend had an n squared dividing by n. So our answer will be 2n, subtract 2, so the exponents decrease by 1 each time. Okay, this would be n to the power of 0, which is this 1. And then our remainder, 5 over whatever we're dividing by, n minus 7. And this answer is the same as this answer. So there's a little shortcut for you called synthetic division.